Welcome to Da Nang, welcome to the AEON Mall, and Da Nang is on the big stage. We got Marcus here, and we're gonna have a look at the newest mall here in Da Nang, and the first real mall here, I would say. It's super loud music, I don't know why they do this, but I think people are still working on it, but we're gonna check it out inside. I hope it's not that loud for you, or I have to actually cut it out somehow. But yeah, let's go. There's some... It's so loud there, but we'll probably remove the music. My ears are popping almost. It is so loud, it's absolutely insane. But yeah, we are inside. I feel like, is this a nightclub area here?
I think yes. Look at it.
It is so bloody loud. Okay, it's getting better now. But as you can see, it is very full. This is the first look of the brand new mega mall in Da Nang, Vietnam. It is very, very...
First of this kind.
Of course. But you see this? They have a food court, I think. I think that's good. Delicatessen. Okay, let's have a look. I really don't know how this is gonna be with the music here, guys.
Oh, they have Paris, Le Bon, the
Paris?
bakery,
Ah, okay.
the French one.
There's a Muji. There's a Nike store. Interesting. Wow. There are people waiting in line for Uniqlo. Oh no, this is something for free you get, I think. You think? I think they're open, they're just full. Right? Yeah. There's so many people in there. Oh no, it's not. Oh, they're preparing to open up. Oh. They're opening up soon, yeah. Crazy. MLB. Keep in mind, guys, this is the opening. And Marcus, what time do we have now?
9:51.
9:51 on a Wednesday. Don't they have to work here? Why are they all here? Oh, children have holidays. Oh,
Then they
it's
open
school
it.
holidays. Yeah. Oh, Adidas store. Interesting.
If you buy something for 3 million, you get this stuff for free.
Interesting. And Foot Locker. I'm so excited. Maybe they have big sizes. Also, shout out to David, who got me the brand new Essex to walk from Australia. I'm never able to buy any shoes in Asia. Oh, that's mine.
But what is it the size of it?
It's NYC, I think. I also have them. Interesting. Hi. What is that?
Do it yourself. Oh no, it's something like
KKV. And as you can see, every single store has the opening flowers there. Because they probably also opened up today, the first time. There's a photo booth. I think it's, I'm wondering when it will be a little bit emptier. Maybe when the school starts again. I think it's going to be like this every single day now. Rightfully so. I think they opened up at 8 o'clock or something, at 9 o'clock maybe. But look at this. It's so spacious. I'm wondering if they have some restaurants up there.
Yeah, this is something the Vietnamese people like noises.
Loud, it's so loud, yeah. Tommy Hilfiger. Levi's, Crocs.
Xin nhắc lại, để giảm thiểu các loại lỗi ra hàng kiểm xe, vui lòng thanh toán phí gửi xe tại các điểm hỗ trợ thanh toán tại quầy thông tin đồng bộ, tầng hầm B1 tại hàng số cổng số 9, tầng hầm B2 tại hàng số cổng số 11, ưu tiên số bãi xe. Lưu ý, sau khi thanh toán,
I don't think there was a Nike store here before, right? I've never seen one.
giờ tiếp theo, xin quý khách lưu ý để tránh phát sinh chi phí. Xin cảm ơn.
System that the people don't bump in each other. Look
Oh
at this.
yeah, and no Crocs allowed.
And also you look cross.
Yeah.
So let's say civilized. Let's say watch your steps up.
Okay, let's go up. Oh?
Let's see the food.
Oh yeah. Sun Thai authentic food. Maybe they have the same thing like they have in Ho Chi Minh City. That would be cool. Like this health bar or something.
Oh yeah.
Kichi Kichi. I mean, those are the pretty standard restaurants here in every single shopping mall here. Japanese noodle. Okay. KFC, guys.
They have also Texas pork.
Look at this. They have even some chicken here. Yeah. The Colonel. Hello. That's awesome. Marcus and I are minimalists, and we actually don't buy things that much. But I mean, besides of tech, I think tech we buy a lot. We buy every
For
single
working reasons.
exactly. But for malls, I like the AC and food. That's why I'm in a mall. And maybe a coffee shop, a nice coffee shop.
And also it costs you nothing just to watch people.
Oh yeah, that's true. A Texas chicken. In America, do you know in America it's called Church's Chicken. But I think they don't have the name right here, so they call it Texas chicken. But for all,
we ate it in Hue,
yeah.
and it was good.
Yeah. So for all Americans, this is Church's Chicken. And they have some playground over there for children. Some arcades. Look at this, there's a line to go to a Church Chicken. Jelly, tea and coffee. Marcus is a little bit weird now. He's not drinking coffee anymore. Maybe he has to go to these bubble tea places now. Oh, it's so full, guys. Look at this big camera here. Big arcade here. So many cameras, so many vloggers. I mean, at the moment only I see the majority is locals. Yeah, maybe.
No, to show
Maybe we
people-
need a camera like this. Maybe I should make a walking tour like this. Look at this. There's some books.
We can't read it. We need English books. Foreign books. Look at this.
So they're
They're
foreign
already
books, guys.
foreign books.
Yeah. All right. Now we have to go one more up. Mr. DIY. Gelato. This is a store where my wife also loves to go. It's always dangerous. I hope my wife doesn't want to come here yet. Else it's gonna be expensive. Look at this, Marcus. Your retiree chairs to massage. You love this, right?
Yeah. I would like to have one at home.
Yeah. This is always the man has to relax here, and then the woman can shop, or other way around. We don't want to discriminate, right? Who knows? But this is also a sign that Da Nang is a big city. Now you see how many people here. Let's go up the next stop. It reminds me on the same mall they have in Hue. It feels like Hue, just full, right? In Hue it was empty.
I can tell you right now, it's not that big what I expected.
Yeah.
It's not that big.
That's what she said. Oh man. But there's a cinema. Interesting. But I think it's not 100% done yet. We have a ice cream shop.
They have also a shop next to the TP bank.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, so there's Thai food here.
It's for health.
Okay, no, not for me, thank you. I don't want, thank you. Oh, he's getting sold. Oh, he's a no tea guy now. He's a tea guy now.
No, I don't need to try. Do you have small packets? I don't want. Oh, fine.
Look at this, Marcus. Vita tea. Okay. Okay, Marcus got sold. I'm not a tea guy at all. But Marcus stopped being a coffee guy, now he's becoming a tea guy. Maybe he's British somehow inside. Look at this. Wow. Long Wang. Whenever you see the words L-A-U, that's loud, it's hot pot. Gyushige. I don't know what, Japanese barbecue and sake bar. Interesting. Ushi! The Ushi! That's a German name. Marcus loves to be healthy. He has a healthy guy. What is that? Restful sleep, peaceful mind.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I need, actually.
Okay. Now he's ready to get a wife because he has the tea.
Yeah.
That prevents the stress. Oh, sashimi, yakinoko. I mean, this type of things I really love. Huh?
The sashimi or this one?
Both. Ramen and the sashimi place. But oh, they have even Kobe beef there. Interesting. Hot pot. Huh?
The staff is overperforming here.
Yeah.
All of them.
All of them, right? I feel like every person who works here, they had like 3 coffees already.
Yeah.
Hong Kong hot pot and barbecue. I'm excited. Wondering how it looks all the way downstairs, but
All the employees is super young.
yeah, that's true. But then you really realize how many people live in the city here. That it is not a small little town what we think it is in the Antung area, because that feels like a village. But then you're going over the river and then you're in a big city.
Wow, they have islands.
I mean, I feel that they're missing out on some coffee shops. only one Highlands, but I think there need to be something cool, some cooler coffee shop. But that's it, guys. There's also a supermarket downstairs. Okay guys, now let's check out the bottom floor here. We have some sunglasses store. We're gonna go one more round here. We have a bakery.
Oh, they also have Starbucks here.
Starbucks is over there. Glasses store. We have P&J. Marcus's neighborhood here. Let's walk, not that you buy one. Glam Beauty store over there, and then we have Paris. That's a good shop. Look at how good that looks.
There's a really good bakery shop, I can tell you.
I mean, we have it in the Antung area, but here it's like it looks bigger and nicer almost. Käsestangen. This is what in Germany we have this as a child in the school cafeteria. That's a very common thing to eat as a
so
child.
It's so unhealthy, but it's so delicious.
But it's with onions too.
Yeah.
With okay. And look at this bread. It's almost German bread here.
This one is good also. This is Japanese bread.
Okay.
Shibana or something.
Oh, look at this. That looks so crunchy.
It's real bread.
Lang Farm. Do you think the downstairs is a place? Garage? Oh, more tea, Marcus. You better walk. We have some lockers over here. Smart locker. That's interesting. Some noodle dishes. It's full.
Look at this, 30,000.
€1 for one bowl. Now, this is the German word for the day. Für den kleinen Geldbeutel.
Yes.
For the small wallet.
A couple more words, but für den kleinen Geldbeutel.
Für den kleinen Geldbeutel. Hier gibt es auch was für den kleinen Mann. Wow. Sushi. A lot of sushi trays. Tasty fried stuff. I want to stay away. But yeah. So this is basically the food court here, I guess. And you have this kind of, you have fried chicken like crazy. My God, look at this fried chicken.
And she brings already the new ones.
Oh my God. And for all my fried chicken lovers out there, Vietnam has very good chicken. The chicken tastes very good. And this is the supermarket. Wow. Look how busy this supermarket is.
It's packed.
But it looks like a very modern, nice looking supermarket. But for me, I get claustrophobic here. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out this video here and see you in the next one.